I hope you'll come to my open house. Watch my video, but this is a property you'll want to see in person. Spectacular views of the Gulf and long stretches of white sandy beaches welcome you in this recently updated 12th floor condominium in La Mer. This spacious property boasts white porcelain floors throughout, granite countertops, Thomasville kitchen cabinets and wine cooler, among other luxury upgrades. The floor-to-ceiling glass throughout the entire main living area and kitchen provide abundant natural light, and a large wraparound lanai is a perfect area to relax and enjoy the sounds of the surf. Whether relaxing on the couch or entertaining in the kitchen, breathtaking views of both the Gulf of Mexico and the Venetian Bay are absolutely breathtaking. The master bedroom is a stunning retreat, with his and her walk-in closets and a spa-like master bath with dual sinks, vanity, and whirlpool tub. La Mer also boasts a newly updated entry, main lobby, community room, pool, and outdoor area. Conveniently located close to the village on Venetian Bay, owners will enjoy upscale shops and dining, or spending an afternoon on the beach. If you're interested in boating, owners are also eligible to lease or purchase a boat slip on the Venetian Bay Yacht Club. This listing is simply a must-see, since very few properties in Naples boast such magnificent panoramic views of both the Gulf and Bay waters. Contact me for more information on this property or any other listings in Naples.